Hello everyone, my name is Maxime Chagnot and today I'm going to show you something very important. It is how to create a service request. If you did not find the information you are looking for in the knowledge base, the online documentation, the companion learning space, the Dassault communities, the web, or just PLM Technology Blog, then we recommend you to create the service request. And to do so, you need to go to 3ds.com, that is Dassault System website. In the Support tab, you can find a Submit Request button. When you click here, I recommend you to go to the 3D Support Hub since it has a nicer interface. You need to log with the 3D passport. And from there you have a nice interface that shows you the support services, or you can just create a request, or you can also access the request you have already created. I can show you have this nice interface. This is all the service requests created by my client. Now I'm going to show you how to create one. You go to create a request, and of course you need to select, well, here it's PLM Technology because that's the only one we can have, but you have your company name here and you can put the final contact. You can also add other people in the loop, for example your colleague. And then, very important, you need to select the application you are working on. So let's say Katia, for example, drafting. Okay. Then he asked me the release. Here it's in 19x. The level, it's the fixed pack. So if you don't know exactly, you should look at the year here, 19. And the week 31, so I'm in week 36 now, so I guess this one is the latest I have. You can see also A, B, C, probably C is the latest one, so I select this one. My operating system is Windows 10 exactly, and the browser I'm mainly using is Chrome. So I can add other if you have other as well. Then you click on Add, and you can go to the next step. You can also save as draft as when you want. I go to next, and here is the problem, the title of your problem in drafting. You can explain a bit more. You have a description, so I recommend you to start with dear support. You explain the problem you have, description. Okay, and could you please help us? Okay. You write your problem here, and then you have to select the urgency. This is up to you to decide. However, I do recommend you to go for low and medium when it's a question. And when it's a bug, and I mean, you also have to judge how important your bug is, then I recommend high or urgent. Something also very important in that case is you should upload files. You should provide picture and video and log as much as possible. This is very important for us and the support if we want to understand your problem exactly. And as soon as you've done that, so you can see, you can just click here, upload, okay, and you go next, and then you can send. Of course, here in that case, I did not provide enough information, so you need to do a bit more. But then you do send, and it's going to be sent to us first, and then we are going to deal also with the support as well. So thank you very much. Goodbye.